At least I remember what I was told by Denzel Joshua that Paulo Cruzada was scolded by, his parents. Luckily, I praise his parents, thanks to Mrs. Marion Cruzada for reprimanding Paulo Cruzada to stop promoting terrorism. You know, like me, I'm not promoting terrorism. I'm not promoting ISIS. All right. Look at the time of Donald Trump administration, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, the one of the ISIS in Nigeria who's slaughtering Christians, mostly Nigerian Shia Muslims. They're Nigerians. The time of Donald Trump, he killed all the ISIS in Nigeria. Oh, and now what you feel yourself, if you want to be uh, Sunni and radical Islam, and you want to be a Salafist and Wahhabist, Paulo Cruzada, your parents had already scolded you, you know, you will get you in trouble. And at least, if you make a bomb joke anyway, if you say about, for example, you're making a bomb threat, you say, what did you say before? Sabugin ko ang Davao City, sabugin ko Metro Manila, and you're saying about, what did you say to Teacher Kel Pabelo, gahasain, or you want to rape? Excuse me, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher Kel Pabelo is not here in the Philippines. She is in the United States. She was in the US. Alongside with her husband, Escal Penumbra, they are still there. And Paulo Cruzada, do not harass anyone. The time when you harass everyone, I know you harass everyone, unlike Teacher Gina Sejo and Jeffrey Asejo are praising ISIS. You know Teacher Gina Asejo, you're a SPED teacher in CTIFI. You are a SPED teacher in Japan. Do not spread the ISIS. Teacher Gina Sejo, ISIS is the enemy of the world, and Japan is fighting against terrorism. Remember, Teacher Gina Sejo, whenever you make a bomb threat, when you ever to make a bomb joke, think about your daughter, Kresha. Think about your son, Kyle Asejo, who was an engineer. Think about your husband. What is your retaliation, Gina Asejo, ha? And Jeffrey Asejo. Oh. Why are you saying, for example, you say about what did you say, Gina Sejo, to Joseph Maspinas? Sabugin kong Metro Manila, sabugin kong Davao City, and then you're saying about the bomb threats, and then you recruit Wawel Romero as an ISIS. Excuse me, Gina Sejo, Wawel Romero is not a Salafist. Wawel Romero is not Wahhabist. She's not Sunni. She's not Sunni Islam. She is a born-again Christian. Can you just leave Wawel Romero alone? Just stop stop recruiting her, stop forcing her. I was remembered from Antonio Sedorio. Oh, um, Do not force anyone to recruit as soldiers. Oh, what he said to me. Oh, we are being blind. Oh, we are being blind. I know we are being blind. Oh, that is your consequence, Gina Sejo. That is your consequence. I will never forget you scolded me last 2003 when I was there in CDIFI. You know, Teacher Gina Sejo and Jeffrey Asejo, like mother and son, think about your your relatives, think about your family. And why both of you are praising ISIS? And you mentioning about what did you say to Joseph Maspina sa booking kong Metro Manila at Davao City? Even he could Moscow, Russia. You could include Moscow. You include um, Beijing, China. You include Pyongyang, North Korea. You included Nagoya, Osaka, Japan. You still mentioned. At least you didn't mention about Fukuoka. And you didn't mention about Sapporo, the place of Giordano. At least you didn't mention. You know, Japan is prohibiting terrorism or even bomb threats. Just like I said before, look at in Germany, they prohibited terrorism. At least you mentioned about Germany, you mentioned about Stuttgart, you mentioned about Berlin, you mentioned about Frankfurt. At least you didn't mention the place of Nanay Ningning. Oh, you know, I'm not making a bomb threat. I'm not making bomb joke. And otherwise, if you make a bomb joke anyway, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, like I said before, when I was told by Roylan Marlang, wag kayo puro mga terorismo. Oh, you know, Roylan says, wag kang puro terorismo. Even Jima Casandil, you are the uncle of Paula Nunez, you are a relative of Paula Nunez, you have to stop promoting terrorism. It's the end of 2024. It's the end of 2025. We will not forget what the past, what all of you made to Joseph Maspinas. And even you, Jima Casandil, you have to stop threatening Joseph Maspinas about bomb threats in Davao City, Metro Manila, even other countries. You're saying about the bomb threats, even in Beijing, China, Moscow, Russia, Nagoya, Osaka, Japan, even Tehran, Iran, even whatsoever, even North Korea, Pyongyang. I don't know what you're saying, and you're saying about ISIS. Excuse me, Jima Casandil. Think about your son. Think about your husband. Think about Paula. Think about your relative is Tita Sita. Why are you making a bomb joke? Why are you making a retaliation to Joseph Maspinas? Why you make retaliate against Joseph Maspinas? That's very irrational. And you know, I'm not making bomb threats. You know, when I was told by Denzel Joshua before Christmas, and I talked to him about what really happened, and here's the Christmas message to Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Sejo, and Jima Casandil. Oh, four of you, do not spread terrorism. And even you, Teacher May Tiburcio, you are harassing Joseph Maspinas. When you say, what did you say to the Duterte supporters? Mga bobo, mga kupal, and you saying about mga, what's that Teacher May Tiburcio said? So, mga gago, that's the word. You know, Teacher May Tiburcio, you're a SPED teacher in CDIFI. Do not retaliate Joseph Maspinas. Do not harass Joseph Maspinas. Joseph Maspinas was very affected of cyberbullying just because of all of you. Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jima Casandil, and Teacher May Tiburcio. All of you are retaliating Joseph Maspinas. Or just example, what if someone who were spedmotics of Jerick Silva will hear something? Pag nalaman to ni Ronald Rivera, like I said, even the spedmotics, even other spedmotics are saying, is this a good attitude to make enemies? To make cyberbullying of Joseph Maspinas? I know that what I said to Gina Sejo, and even Jeffrey Asejo, Paulo Cruzada, Jima Casandil, and Gina Sejo, and Teacher May Tiburcio, do not spread terrorism. Do not harass Joseph Maspinas. At least Teacher Chin Busmante and Roylan Marlang, they were not there also. Since without them, there's Denzel. And there's Jerick Silva. At least Denzel Joshua said to me, do not promote terrorism. This is what a warning to Paulo Cruzada. It will get us in trouble. Just like me, what I realized that what really happened to David Gill and his family member, I bullied them, I harassed them, I make cyberbullying, and I would never realize what I did to David Gill. I make the fake account of Larry Chuanico. I told to Denzel Joshua in Messenger, in video call. And I will never forget about the past, what I did to Mrs. Annie Gill. I know who's made the consequence when we make cyberbullying. It was me and Roylan Marlang and Tera Francisco. Including Kuya Dan Mardayaw, Cedric Mariano, including who else I mentioned? Tomas Gregory Ferrer, that was a classmate of Lawrence Villawan. But Carlos Kanahashi was not involved there. But it's all of us. And that's our fault. Just like I said, that's our fault anyway. Kasalanan natin lahat. And even I'm the one who made a fake account of Larry Chuanico to attack David Gill and his family. This is the really past what I did. And what I just did, this is my fault. That's our consequence. And for Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jima Casandil, Paulo Cruzada, and Teacher May Tiburcio, That's all of your consequence for what all of you did to Joseph Maspinas. Do not compare you, Paulo Cruzada, as me. Do not compare Gina Sejo as Roydan Marlang. Do not compare us as Jeffrey Asejo, as who is that Jeffrey Asejo? As Terra Francisco. Do not compare us Jima Casandil as Danmar Dayaw or Kuya Danmar. O do not compare Teacher May Tiburcio as Tomas Gregory Ferrer. And do not compare Joseph Maspinas as David Gill. Oh, this is really cyberbullying. Oh, what if I heard from Joseph Maspina's mother? Oh, if she realized if all of you gonna be sue. Oh, they're going to be sue. Makakasuhan na kayo. That's why, it will get you sue. It will get you a lawsuit to all of you. They get, Joseph Maspina's mother is gonna file against, is gonna file a lawsuit against all of you, even Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, G. Macasandil, Paulo Cruzada, and Teacher May Tiburcio. All of you will file against the lawsuit. It's gonna file. Joseph Maspinas and his mother are gonna file the lawsuit against all of you. It's really cyberbullying. I've never bully anyone, including, for example, me and Wawel. We're not actually bullies. Me and Wawel, we don't like terrorism. Alright? Just be reminded to Paulo Cruzada, do not force Wawel Romero as ISIS. Because Wawel is my good friend. Wawel was my schoolmate. When I met her when I was there in CDIFI. Before that, when Ronald Rebena was there in 2010, that was his classmate is Wawel. Oh, before I was circumcised, after my closing program in CDIFI, I say hi to Wawel Romero in Trinoma. Oh, 2011, when I was 13, before I was 14, I see Wawel Romero. Oh, in Trinoma, when me and my parents were in grocery, I saw Nicky Miranda. Oh, he was alongside with Tita Josie. Oh, you remember Wawel? Wawel is not an ISIS. So, Wawel is not a Muslim. Wawel is not Sunnis. Wawel is not Wahhabis. Wawel is not Salafis. Wawel is a born-again Christian. She is Christian. She's not Muslim. Alright? She's not Muslim. I am telling to Paulo Cruzada, stop brainwashing Wawel Romero. Just leave her alone. This will never forget in the past.